Right, Jane changed £2,500 into US dollars when the rate of exchange was £1 is $1.58. How many dollars did she get? So the exchange rate is also important, and it's sort of something that changes on an hourly, minute by minute basis. So that's the exchange rate we're given here, and we need to appreciate then when we change from like our home currency to a foreign currency, we need to multiply. Okay. We need to multiply by that exchange rate here, because every pound is worth $1.58. So if we've got £2,500 or £2,500, we need to multiply that by 1.58, because each of those pounds there is worth 1.58. So 2,500 multiply by 1.58. So you get your calculator, type that in, and we get the answer to be 3,950, and we can just write dollars. Okay, it's important to write what it is, okay, because we changed that to dollars. Part B then, during her time in America, Jane hired a car for a few days at the cost of $553. How much is this in pounds? Now what we need to do here is change it back into our sort of home currency, okay, because they're telling us how much we've got in dollars. All right, we need to sort of then to get this back into pounds, our home currency. We're going to do the opposite. Okay, so when you change it back, we do the opposite of what we did here, which is multiplying, and we divide. Okay, so we want to see how many $1.58 are in here. So 553 divide by 1.58, okay, and we get then how much that is in pounds. So that comes to £350 exactly. Part C then, the exchange rate is £1 to 1.15 euros, so different question here. Okay, a holiday is advertised for 345 euros. How much is the holiday in pounds? So again, we're given the exchange rate to change our home currency into euros, and then they're telling us what the cost is in euros. So to change it back into pounds, remember to change it back, you've got to divide. We need to see how many 1.15 euros are in there. Okay, so we divide by 1.15, and on my calculator I get the answer out to be £300. Okay, second part then, at the airport a pair of sunglasses is priced at £24. A sign says that it's possible to pay in euros. Okay, how much are the sunglasses in euros? So you might have euro notes on you. Okay, you haven't got any pounds, any British currency on you because you were going on holiday. So £24, we need to know what that is in euros. Remember then, each pound is worth 1.15 euros. So if you've got £24, each pound then we multiply by 1.15, so 24 of them. So we change into the foreign currency, so we multiply, and we get 27.6 euros. Okay. So remember, when you change from your home currency to a foreign currency, when you've got this exchange rate, you multiply, but when you change back, you do the opposite and you divide.